Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So today's a bit of a response video, more like a meme video, just an odd video in general. So 4 years ago on the AlexCraft24 channel, I made a video called How to Make Truffle Sell Autohammer If Not Understand Read Description. And that was a while ago, and as you see, my Terraria character looks a bit different. Well, first of all, that was in Terraria 1.2 on the Xbox 360. Now it's 2020, we're in Terraria 1.4 on the PC. Now, you may notice I am on a flying UFO as a lunatic cultist. And yes, I'm indeed a lunatic cultist. If we go click on our map, we can see I still have the solar color to do. Oh, crud, that's in the worst area possible. We gotta go to the jungle for this. Now, if you don't know already, the Truffle sells an Autohammer that you use to create shumai bars. Now, generally, shumai bars aren't that important, especially in Terraria 1.3 and 1.4. And there's not really much to it, but it's nice to have it because shumai armor is pretty cool. So let's look. Now, I have defeated Plantera, and as you see, he sells an Autohammer for 85 gold, but I think that's because he's happy. It's because he's happy, and I'm pretty sure normally he sells it for platinum, but he's giving me a bit of a discount, which I very much appreciate. I see the mushroom pylon. There's a bunch of other stuff like whatever this is, and then the mushroom spear. How much? All this stuff you can get pretty easily. Not sure about this. I think so. Yeah, I think that just travels. Yeah, so you can get this as well normally, but this you can't. And as you see, it converts chlorophyte bars into shumai bars. Now, if you just got shroom fella, the Truffle, he won't sell the Autohammer, which is kind of stupid, but it makes sense. You got to kill Plantera. So how are we gonna kill Plantera? Well, there's a couple of strategies. Now, obviously for me, Influx Waver, Defsicle, Phantasm, these, and especially this, overkill. You do not need this to kill Plantera. Now, this is not going to be a guide on how to kill Plantera. This is just going to be generally, that's what you gotta do to kill Plantera. Now, I do indeed not have Stardust Armor because I do not have Luminite Bars. I have Beetle Armor, which you get after you defeat Plantera. Now, generally, if you want to defeat Plantera, I recommend you get Turtle Armor. It's available if you haven't already bet on Plantera, and it's also pretty good. Beetle Armor is when after you kill the Golem. So, what I have is World 2 Overkill for Plantera, but I don't really have an example for you. Like, you gotta make a new world with a Truffle. Now, how am I gonna do that? I might be able to use T-Edit, but I don't have the newest version. Oh damn, I have to deal with this, don't I? Alright, let's just... Oh, freaking fish sticks. Go away! What's safe range? Here's a life fruit. And there's a Plantera bulb. That is a Plantera bulb. It looks like that. And when you click it, Plantera spawns. Is this a stupid idea? Yes, indeed. Do I even have health? Yeah, I do have greater healing potions. Alright, let's kill Plantera because we have World 2 Overkill stuff. Look at the Stardust Dragon. It's already doing like 350 DPS only. Let's see what the Phantasm does. Oh, that's pretty nice. Yeah. It's not that good though. Like, oh, I can get way better than that. Alright, let's see. Do I have my yo-yo bag equipped? Damn, I don't. I think I have that in my safe. Oh, the yo-yo is not going to be that much use. Alright, see how much damage. You still get 800 DPS. It's not that bad. It's not great, but like, Killing Plantera, it's enough. And Plantera will go for his mad state. It's a madman, I know. Or a bad woman, I don't know. But you just... Oh shoot. Holy. Oh my gosh. I'm actually gonna die. How am I gonna die, bro? No, you're dead. You're not gonna kill me. I've overkill stuff. You're not gonna kill me. There we go. So it drops a couple things. You know, drops some hearts. Whatever half his stuff is. It drops a temple key, which you're gonna need to get into temple. And this is more of, it's not really an actual guide. It's just response to my old video. Just because that got like 42,000 views or something at the moment. I might get more. Really, please do not follow that guide. Follow this guide. It's not that great, but it's a bit more realistic. I give you more example what you should use. My inventory is always stuffed with garbage. I'm gonna have to make tons of houses for these fellas because they're depressed. Like, look, they're depressed. Can't do so many people watching. Oh, so sad. I hate when people hang around. The only happy person here is the Truffle. Because he has an entire freaking island to himself. And a guide. Local population is like, oh, yada yada yada. Sells the solar cultist stuff, then sells whatever this graduation cap. How much money do I have? I don't really want to buy it, because I'm broke, but I do have that. Anyway, that's basically it. You kill Plantera, you get a bunch of things. Is my void bag full? Shoot, it is. I didn't grab the temple key. Oh well. This is a hurtful cedar. I don't even know what this is. It's probably a new item. And then what is this? Yeah. And that's pretty much it. And there's my yo-yo bag. Yeah, that's basically it. I recommend you're gonna have to build an island for the Truffle. Or not an island, but at least some land for himself. Because you have to make a mushroom biome, then he can spawn in. So I'm gonna have to get tons of land for this. I'll see so. Rubber. I'll see so. Dark blue solution, no. How much is that? 21 silver for one. Are you kidding me? Yeah, that's basically it. Anyway, that's it for this video. It's just a meme video. I have no clue what this is. I still don't have the tax collector. How do you get the tax collector? Does anyone know how you get the tax collector? Because I don't. I do not know. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm probably just going to work on the houses. If you enjoyed, please smash a like. Every stereotypical YouTuber. Please hit the like button. Comment down something positive. And subscribe. This channel is on 69 subscribers as of making this. You know what I'm going to say? Nice. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time.